Hiya, I'm Ryan. I'm at the Pelicano store on Lewes Road today, and I'm going to brew an Ethiopian coffee, natural process, from the Tega and Tula farms on a clever dripper. We've just got clever drippers in our stores across Brighton, and they're a great way to make filter coffee with pretty much little effort, and it's got a great, nice, sweet, heavy body with a lot of brightness in there as well. Clever drippers are great for at home as well as in store. You can get them, they're pretty cheap, between 20 and 30 pounds. You can make coffee for 1 or 2 people with them. It's nice, quick and easy. This coffee is from the Tega and Tula farm in the Limo region. Tega and Tula are actually 2 adjacent farms, and they were merged together, kind of combined forces, and create this and wash coffees alike. This natural process coffee has got a lot of fresh sweetness to it. I'm expecting some fresh strawberry, fresh blueberry, and some fragrant floral notes as well. So when I brew with the clever dripper, I'm going to put the water in first, and then I'm going to put the coffee on top. I've got a filter grind for my coffee because I want a nice quick draw down. I don't want to be getting to the 1 minute mark when it's time to decant my filter coffee. Make sure to always pre-wet your filter, otherwise you're going to get a papery taste in your brew. Going to give it a nice gentle stir, just so there are no dry clumps in there, and I've got a nice even extraction. My brew time is 3 minutes, and then after 3 minutes I'm going to break the crust and I'm going to decant it into my Hario V60 decanter. I've gone for a 1:16 ratio today, so I've got 20 grams of coffee in my clever dripper and my yield is 320 grams. I like a 1:16 ratio for my filter coffees. It gives nice sweetness and body to it, but it's not too tea-like or not too bitter as well. So now I'm gonna break the crust so the coffee falls nice and evenly, and when we decant our filter coffee into our decanter, it's gonna extract nice and evenly on the bottom coffee bed. So just a nice gentle push around like this. Break the crust, and then I want to very lightly jiggle it around. And after about half a minute, be ready to decant. There's a lot of really fresh and fragrant notes in this coffee. There's some fresh strawberry, fresh blueberry, and some lovely floral notes in there as well. It's a good coffee for the morning. It's also a great coffee for the afternoon as well. It's an any time of day kind of coffee. You can buy coffees like this on our website, pelicanocoffee.com. And you can also try this in store if you like. The guys will make you a hand brew if you fancy it.